Hello everyone, in today's video I'll show you on how you can connect to a server on TeamSpeak. Now to do that, it's going to be extremely simple. You want to navigate through the dashboard right here, and if you want to go ahead and connect to a new one, the first thing that you want to do is to actually get their address. Now I'm going to be navigating through the list of the popular servers out there, and it's going to look something like this. Let's go ahead and grab a popular server like the artofwar.eu. So let's just copy it, head back to TeamSpeak, and to finally connect to that specific server, just click on the popular servers. In here you have the text bar. Go ahead and paste it, click on the quick connect, wait for the loading to finish, and simply right after you should be good to go. Now sometimes it will then go ahead and fail, so you can just keep on retrying until you have connected to the server right here, as you can see. And so guys, if this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow us for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.